If you want to let your website users know that certain things are clickable, then using buttons is the way to go. And to add in buttons, you can go to the insert section, and here you can see button is an option. And once you click on this, here you can name the button. So I'm just going to go around and say YouTube right here, YouTube channel, just like this. And let me just go around and type in http://www.youtube.com/tutortube. So this is where I want it to link. And I'm going to click on insert, and there you go. There's the button. You can go around, and here you can see that you can select outline button or only text button right here. So you can select the button type that you want. You can also click on edit button, and then you can edit out the link. You can resize the button right here and place it anywhere as you want. So I'm just going to go around right here, click on this and resize this button, as you can see right here. So now, in order to preview this, I'm going to go to preview, and then if I were to click on the YouTube channel, then what happens is that it opens up the new page, as you can see right here, and you can see that the channel is here. So this is what you have. You can go around, add in the button, as you can see, and then make it link to any external website of your choice. So that is how you can add in buttons inside of Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.